Sir, I'm so saddened. I had seen a picture. In which I saw that Honorable Chief Minister Saab was handing over the budget ka jo bag hota hai, basta hota hai. He was handing it over to Bhatti Saab. Bhatti Saab was there, ministers were there. Good. But I'm sure that Honorable Chief Minister Saab also might be part of the preparation of the budget. But I'm so surprised, sir. I'm so surprised when I spoke about the foreign investment or any investors coming. Sir, Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy Saab, I think in one or two occasions, my learned friend, my colleague, my Minister Sridhar Babu Saab also was there with him. He had gone to Davos, right? And we have broken all the records. 40,232 crores of investment had come to Telangana. Am I right or wrong, sir? If I am wrong, Honorable Minister can, rise and interrupt me and stop me from this. So to my surprise, sir, and to the surprise of the House, not a single line has been mentioned in the budget. अरे आपका achievement है साहब ये. When I said that I am willing to give you the time, and a new government requires a time to settle down, to take a decisions, but in no given time you sign an agreement, you get an investment of 40,000, and that 40,000 doesn't have a place in the budget. So don't you think that this is a height of ignorance? Don't you think this needs to be corrected? And I'm saddened. I've been hearing the Congress, I've been hearing the Finance Minister, I've been hearing so many ministers rebutting and countering. But unfortunately, not a single member from the Congress rose and said that, sir, this is our achievement in such a short time.
Sir, I would like to bring to the notice of honorable member, sir. Sir, in the month of February, where we had the vote on account session, we mentioned this aspect. We mentioned the achievement of this state. And we were very clear, and we thought, and we have put, this is a broad-based, outlook we have presented on behalf of the government here. And in fact, the additional sentence would have made an impact that is been rightly be taken, but we have already reflected in our earlier presentation of the budget in the February. I would like to bring to the notice of the kind member.
Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I thank Honorable Minister, Learned Minister for Legislative Affairs for replying to me. But sir, I have a doubt. He said that it was mentioned. It should have been mentioned here also. तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ, मेरे दिल में ख्याल आ रहा है, हो सकता है कि कई लोगों के दिल में भी ख्याल होगा कि वो सही नहीं था 40,000, इसलिए इस मर्तबा करेक्शन करके नहीं लिखे. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना साहब? नहीं है ना साहब? वो भी सच था और मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ये भी सच है. जी नहीं, मैं देखिए एक आपका अचीवमेंट है जिसको आप भूल गए, मैं आपके सामने ला रहा हूं. इसको तनकीद की नजर से ना देखें, इसको तामीर की नजर से देखें कि मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि आपका अचीवमेंट है इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम 40,000, सर, इट हैज ब्रोकन ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स. So this should have had a place in the budget. I know it was mentioned in the OTAN account, but many things were mentioned in the OTAN account which has been repeated again in this budget also. So this is a mistake which has been done. So let us admit this mistake and say that yes, we have forgotten, we will correct this and we'll make sure that when the Honorable Finance Minister gives a reply, he will mention this, sir. Sir, if the state economy was badly run or mismanaged, sir, then these answers needs to be given, sir. So secondly, sir, Bhatti Saab complains that the previous government was inflating the figures and presenting unrealistic budget which sorely missed their targets. This also appears to be somewhat self-contradictory, sir, as the first full-fledged budget presented by him also contains unrealistic targets for the receipts and grants allocations and outlays, sir. So the full budget was presented almost 5 months after the vote on account budget was tabled in the House. The CAG provisional account for the year 23-24 financial year indicate that the state total receipts were 2,18,715 crores and the total expenditure was 2,11,854 crores. Honorable panel speaker, sir, Bhatti Saab has quoted revised estimate for 23-24 while presenting the 24-25 full budget. So I may recall that the Union Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, has presented full-fledged Union budget this month while quoting the provisional account for the year 23-24 financial year. However, Bhatti Saab quotes the revised estimate of receipt of rupees, revised estimate, sir, of rupees 2,26,095 crores and expenditure of rupees 2,31,017 crore for the financial year 23-24, which ends on 31st of March. Sir, if I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Sir, if we look at the budget estimate of 24-25, the total receipts are estimated at rupees 2,90,815 crores and the total expenditure is expected to be rupees 2,91,059 crores. The budget estimate for the year 24-25 do not represent a big jump over the revised estimate of 23-24, but they are in fact much higher compared to the actual accounts for the year 2023 and 2024. The only comparative figures in the revised estimate for the year 23-24 as per the Finance Minister Saab and the account for the 23-24 as per the CAG relates to the fiscal deficit or total borrowing which are cited as 49,373 crores by Bhatti Saab and rupees 49,589 crore by the CAG. Bhatti Saab एक बोलते हैं, CAG एक बोलता है, sir. Sir, I may point out, sir, that the previous government has borrowed 38,151 crore during April-November 2023, sir. And in the remaining 4 months of the last financial year from December 23 to March 24, the Congress government has borrowed 11,438 crores. If I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Now, between April and July 2024, in the current financial year, the borrowings have reached to 23,680 crores. Incidentally, the finance minister says that since coming to power, the Congress government raised 35,118 crores in the last 8 months. ये एक है और वो बोलते हैं एक है, sir. There are many inconsistencies and discrepancies in fact and figures that have crept into the 50-page budget speech of the Finance Minister Saab. So the receipts of the state government in 24-25 have been grossly overestimated. Under revenue receipts, the Finance Minister Saab has shown the state's share in central taxes as rupees 26,216 crores and central grants and aid as rupees 21,636 crore, that is total central transfers of rupees 47,852 crores, sir. So now again, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, however, in 23-24 financial year, the state received only 23,216 crores as share of central taxes and rupees 9,730 crores as grant in aid, totaling to rupees 32,946. Sir, we do not know what is the basis of the Finance Minister Saab enthusiasm and expecting rupees 21,636 crores as grant in aid in the current year. Here he seems to be so enthusiastic. And a day before, we had a discussion and a debate and also a resolution stating that we are not getting our due share. There we discuss and here we show so much of enthusiasm.